RiutBag Plus is the first purpose-built backpack for everyday life and travel in the COVID-19 era. Its wipe-clean material means you can disinfect the entire backpack in seconds when you arrive. It has a mask holder. You can easily access and put away your mask, but you're also more likely to remember it and less likely to lose it. Every RiutBag Plus comes with a free hand sanitizer attachment. So this means you can take your hand sanitizer bottle and attach it to any of the straps or handles. The RiutBag Plus is a 15-inch laptop backpack. It's got 2 compartments in there and it's double zipped as well. It opens up suitcase style with 20 litres of room inside. It's got a bright interior so that you can find everything easily. And it has 2 bottle holders. This is a RiutBag, which means there are no zips on the outside that someone else could get into whilst you're wearing it. Instead, they are all securely designed against your back so that you have total peace of mind when you're travelling. Thanks to the durable waterproof material, this is the most waterproof backpack I have ever made. Inspiration for the design came in lockdown when Dr. Velasco got in touch to say, "New COVID regulations at work mean I can't take my normal backpack into the hospital because we can't disinfect it. Can you help?" I got to work immediately to simplify the RiutBag design, start working with new materials, testing them, seeing how they were going to work together, and heard more from Dr. Velasco.
Yeah, that's the backpack I use, and I was pretty comfortable with it until the COVID-19 started at the hospital. They spray this sanitizing solution on the backpacks, but the materials, so you cannot clean them, so then you cannot take them.
I started prototyping the RiutBag Plus in lockdown to complete the design and make sure that it really reflected what travellers are feeling now post-lockdown. I surveyed travellers to find out how comfortable are they feeling on public transport, when they commute, when they're on their way to school or work. I used that feedback between August and October 2020 to build this prototype. I'm Sarah Giblin. I'm an award-winning backpack designer, and in fact you might have seen some of my secure backpack designs on Kickstarter over the last few years. I spent 2020 in lockdown in my studio in Manchester. It's from here that I've been trying to understand 2020 from a personal perspective, and then getting to the point where I could really get my head around it from a design perspective. Because I'm a backpack designer, I need to think about what new things we are prioritising, what we're carrying, and how we want to travel. So that's the RiutBag Plus, purpose-built for everyday life and travel in the 2020s. If you think it's a good idea, please share this with other people. And if you would like to have your own first edition RiutBag Plus, you can choose your pledge level, and then for the first time on Kickstarter, you're actually able to add extra products to your pledge. Thank you so much for knowing about my designs and supporting them by sharing them, using them, telling people about them, and backing them on Kickstarter.